In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable free live captions, also known as live transcription, in Zoom. This feature can be a game changer for making your meetings more accessible and inclusive. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Zoom web portal, which essentially means the Zoom website. Once you're there, it's time to log in with your Zoom account credentials. Make sure you're on the web version, as this is where the settings you'll need to adjust are located. After logging in, navigate to the Settings section. Next, you'll look for the Meeting tab, and within that, scroll down to find In Meeting, Advanced. This is where you'll locate the option to enable automated captions, or, as it's sometimes called, the live transcription service. Once you select this feature, simply toggle it on. Don't forget to hit Save to ensure your settings are updated properly. And just like that, you've set up live captions for your meetings on the web. Now, let's switch gears to your Zoom meetings. When you're ready to start, or if you're joining an ongoing meeting, there's a straightforward step to enable captions. Look at your meeting toolbar and locate the Live Transcript button. Sometimes, you might see it labeled as CC Live Transcript. Clicking this opens a menu, and all you need to do is select Enable Auto Transcription. Once you do this, Zoom will start generating live captions for everyone in the meeting to see in real time. Now, there are different ways you can choose to view these captions. After transcription begins, click the small arrow next to the Live Transcript button. Here, you'll see several options. You can select Show Subtitles to have captions displayed at the bottom of your screen, which is perfect for a traditional captioning experience. If you prefer a more detailed view, choose View Full Transcript, which opens a side panel featuring a running, time-stamped transcript of the meeting. And if customization is your thing, the Subtitle Settings option lets you adjust things like the font size of the captions, allowing you to tailor your viewing experience to your preference. Lastly, if saving the transcript for later reference appeals to you, there's an option for that as well. Provided that the meeting host has enabled this feature, either you or the host can save the transcript from the side panel. This can be immensely helpful for anyone who wants to revisit the discussions or needs a written record of the meeting. So, there you have it. A complete guide on setting up and using free live captions in Zoom. By following these simple steps, you enhance communication and ensure your meetings are accessible to everyone. Enjoy your more inclusive Zoom meetings, and as always, thank you for watching.